Good morning to all. We are a specialized diploma in caregiving students from International Management School in Singapore. We are the Group 12, Rosamel Noble,
Mardelin Dalgonda,
and Cecilia Navasca.
Our topic to be discussed is about nutrition. How can we define nutrition? Well, nutrition is a process of taking in nutrients from the food that we eat. Learn the 6 food nutrients that are needed for energy, maintenance of tissues, and regulation of bodily processes. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, water, vitamins, minerals, and trace elements are essential fuels that power our bodies and enable us to function. A good nutrition is the most important part in leading to a healthy lifestyle. Combined with physical activities, and our diet can help us to reach and maintain our healthy body weight and reduce our risk to chronic diseases such like heart disease and cancer, as well as to promote our overall health. Nutrition also focuses on how diseases, conditions, and problems can be treated or lessened with a healthy diet. Furthermore, it involves identifying certain conditions, diseases, problems that may cause dietary factors, such as poor diet or malnutrition, food allergies, and metabolic diseases. We bear it in our mind that whoever we are, whatever we are, health must be cared, because health is wealth. Food must be given more importance because what we eat, what we are. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our health awareness, and we hope that it was more informative and of great value. That's all.